So today I'm here to show you that our Sudoku generator works and functions as intended. So right here, if we click start, we see it pulls up the main menu with the three difficulties as specified: easy, medium, and hard. Now if we click on easy, right, we can see that there are 30 boxes missing, okay? And if we go to click on one of these boxes, we can see that we can input any number that we want. If we click out of this box, it'll submit that number, and if we click back into it, we can delete that number as well. Now, one thing we cannot do is we cannot click on another box that has already been predetermined and change that input. Another thing that we can know is that we can look at this, so we can see 3, 7, and 9. Then we can close this out, and we can open it up again and see that the boards are completely and utterly random, right? So as we can see here, it is completely different from the first one. And then another thing that we can show is that medium, obviously, this has a lot more empty boxes, 40 as specified right there on the screen. And then hard has even less boxes filled in with 50. Now one thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go in and change this to 1 for the time being. What this will allow me to do is open up the game, type in easy, and we get this box right here, 1, 2, we're missing a 3. Oh, we're not missing a 3. I lied. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 7. Boom. There's our you win right there, and it takes us directly out. So if we were to put that back, we would be able to play a full game of regular Sudoku right here. I am missing the 3 buttons for the GUI. I found that to be very difficult, and I couldn't get that to work. And I also didn't make a you lose screen. Personally, I feel like when you play Sudoku, you never lose at Sudoku. The only way you lose at Sudoku is if you give up. You can change your inputs, and you can delete your options. So if you can change and delete your options, I don't see the reason to have a losing screen unless you input the wrong number last, or if you're simply not paying attention. But by not getting a winning screen, then thus you know you're losing. And so to show that off, if I go into my code and I type in 1 again, I come into here and I come into easy, and I fill this out with a 1, which we already have, right? And I submit that, then it doesn't register it as correct. So that means that something has to be wrong. And so other than that, it shows that everything works, everything's functioning as intended. The deliverables have been met for the project, and other than those 2 missing things, everything is completely here and functioning. So thank you.